Once upon a time, I needed a flower vase, and instead of buying, I decided to make one from beads. And I am happy to announce that this is going to be our project for today. I'll be using fishing line point 6, two different colors of the round sugar beads, and a scissors. I'll start with 6 beads. And add 4 beads. I'll go through the next bead and add 3 beads. I am making rings of 5. When I get to the last bead, I will enter the white and the green and add 2 beads. This is what I have at the end of this step. I'll go ahead and add 3 beads. I am going to be making circles of 4 at this level. Note that I did not enter any bead before I added the 3. Because I am using 2 colors, let me share this clue before I complete the next offline. I am going to be knotting in only white beads. Do you have this? If yes, clap for yourself. If no, then rewind. We are starting the next level and I'm going to be making circles of 5 all round. But take a critical note of how I am arranging the beads. I started with 2 green and 2 white. I'll go through the next bead and add 3 greens. I'll go through the next bead and add 1 green, 2 whites. From here, I'll go through the next and add 3 greens. To the next bead, I'll add 1 green, 2 white. So I'll be alternating these colors until I complete this step. I know you also have this, so I will say Aiko, congratulations. I'll go through the next bead and add 4 in this order. So over here we are making circles of 6. I'll go through the next 2 beads, that's the white and the green, and add 3 green beads. Please take note of how I am picking the colors. If today is your first time here, my name is Nana Bima, your favorite bead tuber. I make and sell bead bags, slippers, keychains, bracelets, placemats, among others. Find my number in the description area for enquiries. You may also join my Facebook group, The Beaded Space, to showcase your products and learn from others as well. If you want to access the description box from your phone, just click on the title. What seemed complex at a glance from the beginning has been made simple for you. So I want to urge you to get your materials and start practicing. You need not get these colors. any type of bead would be okay for this project. So keep practicing and tag me when you are done on the number in the description area. Until I come again with another tutorial, I want to say stay safe and love mankind.